Hey Stallions, for this math activity, you're going to be decomposing teen numbers. Remember that decomposing means to be taking numbers apart. For this activity, you're going to be taking them apart into a group of 10 ones and some more ones. This is going to be super fun because you get to do painting with the Q-tips. And so here's some Q-tips and there's the paint. Now your teacher might have this out in like on a paper plate or something like that. So it might not be in little jars. So maybe look for a paper plate. So let's take a look at the actual activity. Okay, so here it is. So your paper will look just like this, and you're going to have all empty 10 frames. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this number 15, and I know that 15 is going to break apart into a group of 10 and a group of 5. So after I figure that out and write that with my pencil, I'm going to paint them. Okay, so let's watch as Mrs. Forsting paints in the 10 dots. So I have 10 for the red, and then I'm going to switch my colors so I can show that I know that it's 10 and 5 more. So I switch to yellow. Ready? Bam, there they are. So 10 and 5 makes 15. So then I'm going to come down and do 12. So think about 12. How do I break apart 12? 10 and what do you guys say? Did you say 2? That's right. So you'll write your numbers here and here, and then you're going to paint all of the 10 one color, and then the other ones the different color. Okay? Then we have 18, 16, and 14. I hope you have fun painting your numbers.